Hey guys, good morning. I got another product showcase for you. McKee's 37 foaming wheel cleaner gel. I'm going to show you how well this baby works on wheels like this. And that is where I touched it. Probably shouldn't have done that, but stay tuned. I'm going to show you how well this works on a nasty, dirty tire. Okay guys, if you saw the intro, you know what we're working on. We're working on a 2018 Dodge Charger. It's got the Daytona package. So we've got these anthracite type wheels. The great thing about that is when they're dirty, they don't look dirty. But upon closer inspection, you can see how dirty they are. So let's get to it. So the instructions say we're going to liberally apply it to one wheel at a time. We're not going to spray them all down, but we're going to get it all over this one wheel. You need to make sure you get it in the barrels too. Sometimes you got to switch up the nozzle so you can get a nice stream in there. I will say this stuff is super strong. But now we wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it sit on there, let it work. Let's get some in there. So we've let it sit, we've let it work a while. I'm gonna make sure we're gonna start with a boar's hair brush. Get it nice. And you're just going to go to town. One thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your brushes are wet. So you'll want to rinse them, wet them as you go. And the way I like to clean my wheels is I like to start with a boar's hair brush and kind of get in the nooks and crannies first. Okay. And then I'm going to switch it up to a different type of brush. A little bit longer bristles, like. So you want to get these really clean. We're going to do a ceramic wheel coating. So you might need to take a little bit extra time. Make sure you rinse well. These are disgustingly dirty. Remember folks, you want to do the wheels first every time because they are the dirtiest. You got your wheels and under your hood. Those are going to be the two things you're going to want to focus on prior to doing anything else. Get that out of the way. Get it all clean. And typically you want to start at the top. If anyone knows of a wheel woolly that works better, that doesn't fling suds back in your face, put it down in the comments. I would love to try one. I mean, I like the way this one works. It's big, it's fluffy, it gets all the areas, but my golly. You can see it all coming off. Sorry about the lens. There's a ton of dirt on it, so. But you can see, I mean, the barrels are clean. Anyway, guys, that is the McKee's 37 foaming wheel cleaner gel. It's fantastic. It's amazing stuff. It's one of the better acid-free formula. So, but it's still one of the more aggressive ones. I love it. So I'm very happy with it. That's it for today's product spotlight. Be sure to pick yours up at the link below.